Hello everyone, this is Mahi from GrowTake AI. Today I am going to show you how interior designer can run high quality ads using AI. If you are an interior designer and you want to create effective ad campaigns, GrowTake AI can help you do it in a simple and smart way. So in this tutorial, we will learn exactly how GrowTech AI makes your ad creation process easier and more powerful. So let's get started. At first, you need to create your account on GrowTech website. As you can see, I already connected it. Once your account is ready, the next step is to connect your advertising platform. As you can see, there is a Meta, Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, YouTube, any other channel where you want to run your ads. So the process is very simple. Just select the platform you want to use, go to the connect option and log in to link your account. Okay. So in today's tutorial, we will be running ads on Meta. That means Facebook and Instagram. Now the first thing is the set our campaign goal. This helps GrowTake AI understand what exactly you want to achieve from your ad. So I selected here. You can see here, as you can see here, there are several options here. If you want leads, right, drive leads, choose lead form, phone calls leads, our lead messages, as you can see here. So if you want people to take action on your website, you can choose website traffic, product catalog, sales or conversions. In today's tutorial, we will select website traffic. This means that all the people who see our ad and interact with it will be directed to our website as traffic. Right? I save here. So next we move to the section called describe what you are advertising. This one. So brand info, as you can see, I paste here my one of website design and then get data from website. I click here. Once the link is added, GrowTake AI automatically scan and detect everything about your website. As you can see, the AI has already identified the descriptions, the fact, and this is an interior designer business. So GrowTech AI has now fully analyzed your website, so it knows exactly how to create right ad for your business. I can show you every tab like brand info, brand voice, as you can see here, and also product service. Next, the last, so let's move to the last final section, which is add raw asset. When you click on a select option, we can choose from different sources. Okay, like here there is a sources of library, which is currently filled with photos. Which sources is website, like here you can see. There is a website link. I tab on search. It will take a few seconds to load. And as you can see, all the images from our website have now appeared here. Okay. From these images, we can select the ones we want to use in our ad. Because my goal of a campaign is website traffic in a modular kitchen, so I select that one. So there is a modular kitchen, this one also, so I choose it. Okay, I choose their ratio and save changes. As you can see that the assets are added, all I need to do the click on generated. GrowTech AI will automatically create a complete ready to use ad copy. So as you can see, GrowTech AI launches your ad in just 3 simple steps, and the entire process takes less than 2 minutes. So this is one of the easiest and fastest way to create ads without any complicated setup or time consuming. The platform is designed to run highly optimized ads with minimum efforts from your side. So right now you can see the GrowTech AI working in the background, like reading your website. You can see reading your website, understanding your business, generating targeting, writing ad copy, and preparing your complete ad structure automatically. So as you can see, our ad copy is ready one by one, and look at these. GrowTake AI has generated multiple ad variation for us. We have both, there is a videos and images option available, giving us a complete set of creative choice. Videos designed to make your ad more interesting and effective. And also you can see each ad copy comes with a different primary text. All of them are well written, engaging and optimized for better performance. You can see. You can read through them and select the one that fits your styles and style the best. If we go to the targeting section, you will notice that the targeting has also been fully optimized automatically. GrowTake AI has done all the heavy lifting for you, ensuring your ads reach the right audience and deliver strong results. The next option is whenever we run ads, one common confusion is how much budget should I spend to get good results. So GrowTake AI helps you with that as well. So in the budget section, you will see the tab called recommendation. So when you click on it, the system will ask for the product cost. Since we are advertising modular kitchen in this example, I entering the average product cost is 60,000. 60,000 per project, which is common pricing point in India. So after entering the price, I simply click on generator. So as you can see, within just 30 seconds, GrowTech AI recommends that a minimum daily budget of 500 will give you strong, high quality result. So basically, in three simple steps, I can show you properly. You can run a fully optimized agency level ad campaign without any confusion and without wasting time. Using these steps, you can easily create powerful, result driven ads for interior design business and grow your brand faster and more effectively. If you have any question about GrowTech's features or anything covered in this tutorial, feel free to reach out to us through our website at growtech.com. You can also drop your question in the comment section below. And if you want us to run a step-by-step ad campaign tutorial using your website, simply share your website link in the comment. We will create the next video based on your website so you can clearly see how GrowTech AI builds campaigns tailored to your business. Thank you so much for watching.